quick question, when you guys put new wheels on the car, how long does it take for you to really like them? For me, it always takes me a good like weekend to actually like the wheels, see a couple photos, videos, and then I'm like, oh, you know what, I like them now. But when I first put these on, I was like, I hate it. I hate it so much. But every wheel that I put on this car, I hate. I never ever like them. So I want to know what you guys, how long it takes for you guys to like it, or if you like it immediately. I'm just so curious if it's only me who has that weird issue. But anyway, let's jump into the video. So I finally got rid of the chrome wheels, and I wanted to get something a little bit more aggressive, so I went with 19 by 10.5 plus 22s, and ESR was having a sale, so I went with the SR1s, and I actually love it. It looks pretty awesome in my opinion. The finish, everything, but the gray, and then the white, and how I have the black trim. I don't know, man, I'm just really liking it. I love the way the fitment is. The fitment is almost perfect. The front is maxed out with the camber. The rear has natural camber, but it's basically sitting on the fender, which actually you can see better on this side. There you go, look at that. The other side didn't lower as much, but look at that, man. That is clean. I love it. My only complaint is that the faces look really tiny, so it makes the wheels look small in some angles, but other than that, I love the way the wheels fit and look. I'm definitely gonna stick with 10.5. I did f up the wheels already. Look at that. The first day I got them, I was, messing with the air and trying to get the fender to lip. It popped over it, and then when I raised it up, it just scratched the shit out of it on that side. So yeah, the first day I got them, I messed up the new wheels. How cool is that? For the tires, they are brand new. They are a little stretched. It's 235 35s. So that's gonna be it for this video. This is just a quick video to show off the wheels, show like what they look like. Again, they're 19 by 10.5 plus 22, and they fit great, and they're wrapped in 235 35, and definitely the specs that I'm going to use moving forward. Again, the rear has no camber at all. It's all natural. The front is maxed out. Should I put the red trim back on around, and should I repaint the calipers a different color? Because I'm not sure how I like the gold against the gray finish. I feel like it looks odd. It doesn't look right. You guys let me know what you think. I could repaint them gold, or I could do a different color, maybe red, white, maybe white, like have it match with the car. That'd be a little different. Maybe white calipers and white trim. I don't know, but yeah. Other than that, if you guys have any questions about the fitment, the tires, where I got everything from, there should be links in the description below. I'll have them there. Drop a comment for any questions. Other than that, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Let me know if you guys like the wheels, and I will see you all next time.